Looking for a reliable way to bake flawless cakes that come out golden brown and evenly cooked every time? The original 12-cup cast aluminum Bundt pan promises just that: superior baking performance with minimal fuss. Whether you're aiming for a classic Bundt cake, pull-apart bread, or even a creative jello mold, this pan delivers consistent results that make every bake look picture perfect. What sets this Bundt pan apart is its sturdy cast aluminum construction, which ensures even heating across the entire surface. That means no more uneven spots or undercooked centers, just beautifully textured cakes with a perfect crust. Plus, the pan features a PFOA-free nonstick coating, making cake release effortless and cleanup a breeze. Just a quick hand wash with warm, soapy water keeps it ready for your next baking session, and it's built to last with proper care. I've personally tested this pan with various recipes, and the results speak for themselves. Early on, I learned the importance of greasing and flouring the pan to prevent sticking, and since then, every cake has slid right out without a hitch. The 12-cup capacity is ideal for family gatherings or special occasions, producing cakes that impress both in taste and presentation. It's a versatile tool that's been a staple in American kitchens since the 1950s, trusted for generations. If you're someone who values consistent baking results and easy maintenance, this original Bundt pan is worth a look. It's made in the USA with quality materials designed to last, so you get both performance and durability. Whether you're a seasoned baker or just starting out, this pan helps you create elegant, delicious cakes with confidence. Ready to upgrade your bakeware? Try the original 12-cup cast aluminum Bundt pan when you're ready to bring flawless cakes to your table. It's more than just a pan, it's a reliable partner for every recipe you love.